Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are searching for a new job opportunity, then this video is for you. So, today I will share the latest hiring update for freshers as well as experienced candidate, including details about eligibility, required skills, and the application process. So, don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start. So currently Accenture is hiring for the freshers. Okay, and you can see here the package is up to 4 to 6 LP. So here let's see the job overview. Role will be financial plan and analysis new associate. Okay, location will be Bangalore and it's for the fresher. If you have a 1 years of experience, then it's fine. Employment type will be full time. What all the responsibilities here? You have to solve routine problems using established guidelines and precedents, and you have to follow detailed instruction for all assigned tasks. Make decision impacting only your own work under close supervision. Okay, and you have to handle rotational shift as required. Okay, and conduct analysis, reconcile transactions, and support budgeting and forecasting. And you have to align with finance operations to analyze company performance and identify trends. So these all are the responsibilities here. Required skills like BCom, MCom, Master of Business Administration, and advanced English communication skills, strong analytical and problem solving abilities. Okay, and good communication, MS Excel proficiency, and general finance economy accounting knowledge. You should have this all knowledge, and you have to be flexibility for office or home work as needed. Okay, so these all are the required skills here. So this is a very good opportunity. Please, those who are good fit for this, please go and apply. Next update is from the Tech Mahindra, and it's mainly hiring for the freshers. Okay, so it's hiring for the multiple positions. It's a bulk hiring, and see, this link will be expired on 17th of April. So please apply before this. Okay, so here eligibility like freshers and experienced candidate are welcome here. Graduate or undergraduates can apply. Good communication skills is required here. Okay, and a willingness to work in rotational shift. You have to be work in a rotational shift as well, like whether it's a night, evening. So you should have comfortable in that. Responsibilities here like managing a team of representative, offering customer support, resolving customer complaint brought to your attention. Okay, creating policies and procedures, selecting and hiring new staff, and conducting quality assurance service with customers and providing feedback to the staff. Okay, so these all are the responsibility. You have to keep it in mind, and this is a very good opportunity for the freshers. So please apply before 17th of April. Okay. Next update is from Cognizant, and it's also a very biggest mass hiring for associate data science. Okay, and it's also for the freshers. So here, let's discuss in brief, like all the responsibilities. Here you have to analyze the complex data sets to extract meaningful insights that support a strategic decision making, and you have to collaborate with stakeholders to understand business requirements and translate them into analytical solutions. Okay, and here you have to provide the actionable recommendation based on data analysis to enhance business performance. Okay, and lead initiatives to automate data processing and reporting for increased efficiency. You have to communicate findings and insights effectively to both technical and non technical audiences, and foster a culture of data driven decision making across the company. So, these all are the responsibilities here, and this is the best opportunity for the freshers. Okay, so those who are eligible for this, please go and apply as well. He for this also, expiration date is the 17th of April. So try to apply before that. Okay. Next update is from the Infosys, and it's also hiring for the freshers. Okay. Executive freshers with 0 to 1 years experience, they can apply. So here eligibility, like any graduates can apply for this, and location will be Bangalore, Mysore, Pune. Okay, shift night shift. This keep it in mind. Here shift will be night shift, and work from office is mandatory. Okay, so this you have to keep it in mind before apply. If you are comfortable, then you can apply for this. Responsibilities here mandatory like English and Hindi. Okay, written and verbal, and prefer like one regional language, like any one regional language you should be known, then it will be fine. Okay, key skills required like excellent verbal and written communication skills, a strong analytical probing and problem solving abilities, and ability to remain calm and professional under pressure. Okay, this is a good skills. If you have, then it's a very good skills. Good understanding of commerce concepts like taxation knowledge preferred. Okay, so this is also a very good opportunity for the freshers, and here the expiration date is 30th of June, so you can apply before that. So it's a very good opportunity. Please go and apply for this as well. So I hope it's clear, and this is a very good opportunity for the freshers, and many different companies are hiring. So please try to apply as soon as possible, and all the best. I hope it's clear. Till then, keep watching. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.